Note down example second. Find the square root of 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 576 by division method. Find the square root of 576 by division method. In the exam, sometimes students they will ask find the square root by prime factorization method or division method. But when you are writing this multiple choice, when you are solving multiple choice question, you can follow any method. Now, students, again, I'm explaining this question how to solve. Concentrate everyone here. Don't write anyone. Concentrate because this method is very, very important method. With the help of this method, we can find out any square root of given values, either decimal or fraction, any value. Okay. Now I want to find out square root of 576. Yesterday I explained to you students. Firstly, I want to make pair from the right side. Firstly, I want to make pair from the right side. 7, 6, 1 pair and 5 is 1 pair. Okay. Now I want to find out square root of given digit. How to find square root? Concentrate everyone. Don't write anything. Listen carefully everyone. Don't write. Yeah. I want to find out squared number. That number should be less than 5 because this is only one digit. Which value I want to, which squared value I want to take, that value will be less than or equal to 5. If I am taking 2, then 2 into 2 is equal to 4. If I want to take 3, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Means I want to take a squared value, that value will be less than or equal to the first value. Now this is the greater value, we will not take, we want to take first value. Means I am taking here 2, and how many places I will write 2? 3 places, 2 up and 2 down. After that, I want to add 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. After that, I want to write 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and I will write here 4. Again, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Again, I want to bring down this pair digit, 7, 6. Now, in this 4, which digit I want to multiply, that value will be less than or equal to 17. Suppose if I am taking 4, 4 into 4, 16, right? If I want to take 5 into 5 is equal to 25. This value is coming greater than 17. We will never take this value. I want to take first value. Got it, everyone, students? How we are checking which value I want to take? Always I want to take less than or equal to value, not greater than value. Got it, everyone? Yes. Now I want to take 4. 4 here, 4 up, 4 down. Again, I want to add 4 plus 4, 8, 48, and 4 for just 16, 1 carry, 4 for just 16 plus 1, 17, 0, 0. Now, students, you are observing how to check my answer is right or wrong. Double of quotient is coming 48, 24 into 2, 48, our answer is right. This is to whatever calculation I am doing here, this you will write in the rough notebook. Note down, square root of 576 is equal to 24. Note down, everyone. Note down everyone. Yeah. Example 3, note down. Find the square root of, find the square root of, find the square root of example 3. Find the square root of find the square root of 0.813604. Yeah, I have given decimal value. How to find out square root of this given decimal value? Very easy. First note down question everyone. Find the square root of 0.813606. Students, some students are there, they will say, sir, why you are reading like that? 0.813604, I can say 813604. After decimal point, we will read one digit. Why? Because after decimal point, values are less than 1. Before decimal, we can say ones, tens, hundred. But after decimal, the value are less than 1. That's why always you will read one digit. 0.813604. If anyone is asking why you are not saying 813604, you can give answer because after decimal point values are less than 1. That's why we can't read in that manner. We can read individual digit. 0.813604. Yeah. Now all students stop writing. Concentrate here. How to find the square root of given digit? Concentrate everyone here. Don't write student. Yeah. 0.813604. Don't write student. Yeah. In previous question I have explained. In previous question there was no decimal. Now in this question decimal number is there. If decimal number is there, I want to make pair from after decimal. But if they have not given decimal, we are making pair from the right side. If decimal is there, we want to make pair after decimal point. One pair completed, second pair and third pair. Got it? Yeah. Now you students, you are observing before a decimal is there means I want to mention decimal 0 point. Why? Because decimal number is there. Now first pair is 81. Which squared value I want to take? That value will be less than or equal to 81. Suppose if I want to take 8 into 8, 64. If I want to take 9 into 9, it is coming 81. I told to you students, either we can take less than value or equal to value. Means I don't want to take this value, I will take this value. Means 9 times 9, I will write here 9 up, 9 down. Yeah, 9 nines are 9 nines are 81. And 9 plus 9, 18. Okay. Now I want to subtract 0, 0. Now again I want to bring down second pair 36. Students, what you are observing, can we divide? This is 36, this is 18. How to divide? Again I want to keep 1 0 here, again 1 0 here. Then I can write here again next two digit 0 4, because already I have kept a 0. Now in this number, in 18, which number I want to multiply, that number will be less than or equal to 36. Suppose I want to take 18 into 2. 18 into 2. 18 into 2. 36. 18 into 3. 54. Which value I want to take? 2 times. Means I will write 2 here, 2 up and 2 down. 2 2s are 4, 0, 36. 4, 0, 1, 8. 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, again, Dhruv Kumar is there. Dhruv Kumar will ask us, sir, just now you told to me, double of this digit will come this answer, but here decimal is there. Students, in the case of decimal, you will assume only this whole number value, means 902. 902 into 2 is equal to 1804. Means our answer is right. In the case of decimal, we will not consider decimal, but after decimal, whatever digit is coming, I want to multiply with 2, then same answer will come. Got it, students? Then answer is square root of 0.81360 is equal to 0.902. Right. Example 4, no down. Example 4. Find the square root of find the square root of 12. Find the square root of 12 up to 2 decimal places. Up to 2 decimal places. Find the square root of 12 up to 2 decimal places. Yeah. Find the square root of 12 up to 2 decimal places. I want to find out square root of I want to find out square root of 12 up to 2 decimal places. Listen carefully, students, how to find square root of 2 up to 2 decimal places. Don't write, listen carefully, everyone. I will give time to note down. First, listen carefully here. I want to find out square root of 12. He is saying find the square root of 12 up to 2 decimal places. Means I want to keep decimal point. After that, I want to make 40. Because question is asking find the square root of 2 up to 2 decimal places. If I want to write 40, then I can make 2 pair. If I want to write 40, then I can make 2 pair. If question is asking find the square root of 12 up to 3 decimal places, then 2 more 0 I want to mention. Listen carefully. Why I have written 40? Because I want to make 2 pair up to 2 decimal places. Now, how to find? Concentrate here. Before decimal 2 pair, right? Yes. Now, which squared number I will take? That number will be less than or equal to? Yes. I want to find out square root of 12 up to 2 decimal places. I have written 40 after decimal point. Why? Because I want to make two pair. That's why I have written 40. If question is asking find the square root of 12 up to 3 decimal places, means I want to mention 60. Now first digit is 12. Which squared number I will take? That number will be less than or equal to 12. Suppose I am taking here 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. This value is less than. If I want to take 4, 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Means I want to take 3. Okay. Now I will write 3 how many places? 3 places. Up, down, and 3 plus 3, 9. And 3 3s are 9. 0, 9. Okay. Again, I want to subtract 12 minus 9, 3. I want to keep decimal point because after 12 decimal is there, I have kept decimal. When I have kept decimal, again, I want to bring down two pair, means one pair, this 20. Now digit is 300. Now in this 9, which number I want to multiply? In this 9, which number I want to multiply? That value will be less than or equal to, that value will be less than or equal to 30. If I want to multiply 9 into 4, 36. Here I am doing wrong. No one is checking here. Student, that's why I am saying you are not concentrating on the screen. 3 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 3, 6 will come. Boys and girls, both of you not concentrating. Okay. Now in this 6, which number I want to multiply? That number will be less than or equal to 30. If I am multiplying 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 5, 30. Yeah, 5 I can take. If I am taking 5, carry also will become. That's why this value we will never take. We'll take this value. Okay. Now I want to write 5 here, 5 down, and 5 up. Next 65 plus 5, 70. And now I am checking, can I take 5 or not? I am checking. Listen carefully, students. I am checking, can I take 5 or not? Now 65 into 5, I want to check, I can take 5 or not. 5 5 is 25, 2 carry 32. But our digit is 300. We can't take 5. I want to take 4. Right? Like that you need to check, students, because carry also will become. Yes. That's why I have tick mark 6 into 4. I want to write 4 times. Now 4 up, 4 here, 4 down. 68. 4 4 is 16. 24 plus 1, 25. This value is less than 300. Again, I need to do subtraction. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. Next, 0. Again, I want to bring down this next pair. 00. Now in this 68, which number I want to multiply? That number will be less than 440. I want to multiply 6 times. 36, 6, 3, keep in mind. 48 plus 3, 51, 41. 4116 and 692. 10 minus 4, 6, 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 1, 8, 3 minus 1, 2, 0. Now students, he has asked the question, find the square root of 12 up to 2 decimal places. After decimal, how many digit has come here? 2 digit. Now I can stop. If question is asking up to 3 decimal places, means I will go to one more steps. But question he has asked up to only 2 decimal places. Now we can write answer. The square root of 12 is equal to 3.46. On the bracket will mention up to 2 decimal places. Up to 2 decimal places. Note down everyone. Yeah. Example 5 note down. Yeah. Example 5 note down everyone. Yeah. Find the number of digits. Find the number of digits find the number of digits in the square root. Find the number of digits in the square root of the following numbers. Of the following numbers. First question. Yeah. Listen carefully, students. In this question, he is not asking find the square root. He is asking, what is the question? Find the number of digits in the square root of the following numbers. Listen carefully, students. How to find out number of digits in the given digit? Listen carefully, everyone. Okay, students, just now I have given one question. Find the number of digits in the square root of the following numbers. Yeah. Now I want to find out how many digits are there in the given number. Firstly, I want to make pair. I want to make pair from the right side. One pair, one single. Number of digit is what? 2. One pair, 2, 3. Number of digit is 3. Only one pair, number of digit is 1. 1, 2. Number of digit is 2. Very easy question, student. How to find the number of digits in the square root of the following numbers? We want to make pair. After pair, we can say number of digit is coming 625 is 2. You can verify also, students. When you are finding out a square root of 625, this answer will become 25. How many digit is coming? 2 digit. I have given right answer. You can check your answer. My answer is right or wrong. Got it, everyone? In this only you want to make pair. Got it, everyone? Don't keep equal to sign here. Keep this symbol. What is the name of this symbol? Implies that. Because 625 will never be equal to 2. If you are writing, others will think you are foolish man. You will never write like that. 625 is not equal to 2. Means complete mathematics you are going to change. I am giving 625 rupees, you are giving 2 rupees. Both are equal? Both are not equal. Don't write equal to sign. That's why we have kept here, I have kept here implies that symbol. If any answer students you are writing, write with proof beta. Okay. Now keep adding students, I am going to explain cube and cube root. Keep adding cube. Just now I have completed square root, square and square root. Now I am going to explain about cube. Keep adding, what is cube? A number with 3 note down what is cube. A number with 3 as an exponent a number with 3 as an exponent is called a cube. Is called a cube. Got it, everyone? Yeah, we can say when a number is multiplied by itself, how many times? 3 times. That is called cube of that number. A simple definition: a number with 3 as an exponent is called a cube. Example. Example. 2 cube, 5 cube, 9 cube. Okay. We can take any digit. Your exponent is 3, that is called cube. Now today students, I am giving 2 homework. First homework, you need to solve the question from the course book, and second homework I am giving you, we need to learn 1 to 20 square number